Hello everyone. I have made improvements to my coil winder. Some are hardware improvements and some are software. So what's new in version 2.0 of my coil winder? I have redesigned the mount for X-axis. It's more sturdy now. It's this one here. I have also redesigned the wire guide and the wire path is more smooth and gradual now. This one here. I have fixed the bugs in my software where this wire guide here would fall behind the actual wire being wound on the coil. All the 3D models I have used in this project will be available in description on GitHub. You can download it from there. I will also provide this dimension guide here in the description. So this is what my coil winder looks like. So this is the x-axis. I have added this bigger gear here so that's easier to wind the bigger coils like this big Tesla coil here. There are some slots here and here so that it's easier to remove this x-axis. It's the motor for the x-axis, the y-axis, the linear rods, the lead screw. This stepper motor is optional. It just provides constant tension to this wire roll. As you can see, the stepper motor is not connected here. So all the stepper motors are 1.8 amperes. The wire goes from here into this sponge holder to this roller, V-groove roller, to here, and through there's a small hole here, to this roll, this one, and finally through here. So it uses Arduino Uno and the CNC shield and the power supply here. For making the coil, I will be using this 38 gauge wire. This is the thinnest gauge I can get where I live. coil is finished now with 1000 turns, and the height of the coil is uh, around 112 millimeters. This was done in one go without interruptions. Once I started it, I did not interfere with it. I'm gonna zoom in to show you. One thing I want to mention before I go is that when you are winding wire this thin, the surface that you are winding on has to be very smooth and without any imperfections. This way your winding will also be smooth and perfect. Even minor imperfections on the surface will give you imperfect winding. Alright, bye bye.